Alright, so I'm doing a quick video on the BarkBusters for the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure R. And these ones are the models that were supposedly compatible with the 2024 and below models. Took a gamble based on what some people were saying, and the result isn't great. So I'll let you guys take a look and you be the judge if you want to get them or not. So the left one went on just fine. I didn't really have any issues with it. You can see here, it's not great. Like the threads, it doesn't really have a whole lot of them, but I mean, obviously you can get new screws, but this one went on fine. As you can see, the lever is pretty covered very well. No problems on that side, but problem comes when you go to the right handle, and as you can see, it's not really protecting it. So if something comes above this lever, you know, you're gonna get hit. And the reason why this can't go up any higher is because this nut right here is hitting your brake fluid reservoir. And obviously when you move this up, you know, the whole assembly comes with it. So it's not great. I guess it's better than nothing, better than the stock, I guess. But you might want to wait for an actual kit that's working with it. It's the same issue this side too. The threads don't really line up, really give you enough clearance over the bars. You might be able to maybe hog these out a little bit with a Dremel or something to make them work, or like I said, just get longer screws. But yeah, I'm probably going to run it for now. The other issue is that these aren't 100% going in, which isn't a huge deal because once you kind of cinch this down, it's not really going anywhere, but it's definitely another consideration. And I did try swapping some of the hardware left and right just to see if I could maybe have it go further down here on the bars, but they're even thicker down there, so it really just doesn't work any other way. Yeah, it kind of sucks. So this is the box that I got. Where is the model number here? Anyway, so it says, you know, works with 390 Adventure R 2020 and on. It was on here somewhere. Oh yeah, right here. So BHG-084, that's the model number right there. So it kind of works. As you can see, it's giving you some protection on the right side, but the left side's great. You don't have those clearance issues. Pretty rock solid. It's also got that little spacer issue, although if you wanted, you know, you could get like a little plastic bushing, cram it in there or something. But yeah, that's it. So figured I'd show you guys what's going on with it, let you make the decision on if you want to go with them or not. I should also give you a word of warning too. If you don't have adjustable mirrors like I do, like these double take mirrors, and you're kind of messing around with the position of that, you might not be able to get them in a good position afterwards if you're using the stock mirrors, because they just don't have that adjustability like the double takes. All right, so if you were curious if there's going to be any clearance issues, there is not. I mean, it's kind of close. Let me see. Can I get an angle on this? It's close, but that's as far as I can go, and I'm not hitting anything. It's close. This way, it's pretty close too. The bar looks like it might almost hit, but it's not. Yeah, it's very, very close. The clearance is very, very tight. One thing I noticed actually, oh shit. So I wonder if the brakes might be binding a little bit with that. I don't think so though. Like, I'm not feeling it. But anyway, that's not good, that it tucks up underneath that. All right, so a quick look how it looks post-install. Pretty good coverage on the left side, like I said. Right side, not so great. It's really only the plastic that's protecting that, which, I mean, how much better is that than the stock? I think the orange and black is definitely the way to go. I saw some people with the white lettering and it didn't look as good. Now these are the old VPS models, which I guess they're now on clearance because they came out with some new ones. I don't know, slight redesign, something like that. Look like the difference is mostly in the extra guards. But yeah, man, overall not great, but hey, it's better than stock, and I'll probably use these until proper ones come out, because I'm not exactly thrilled about the brake. Yeah, so it's not actually binding up, but it can go forward underneath the weather guard. That could lead to some weirdness. I don't know if you could see it. It's just, it's such a slight amount of play there. Yeah. Anyway, that's it.